everyone, welcome back to Earth to Rocco. Today we're taking French fries to the next level by recreating an Italian classic. We're going to be making some polenta fries. If you've never tried polenta fries, you're in for a treat. These fries are crispy on the outside, creamy on the inside, and bursting with flavor. They're a fantastic alternative to the usual potato fries, and the best part, they're super easy to make. Polenta is very traditional in the northern parts of Italy because of its versatility. It became a popular staple due to its adaptability in colder climates. Polenta can be cooked to various consistencies, from creamy porridge to solid slices that can be baked, grilled, or fried. Polenta fries are lower in fat and calories than traditional French fries. They're also a great source of fiber and iron, and of course, it's gluten-free. Let's get started, shall we? Begin by taking a pot over high heat and pouring in 6 cups of vegetable broth. Add some salt, onion powder, garlic powder, smoked paprika, and oregano for flavor. While you can opt for plain water instead of spices and vegetable broth, I like to think of it as choosing between a plain canvas and a vibrant masterpiece. Don't be afraid to add a flavorful flair. Cover the pot and allow the vegetable broth to come to a boil. Once the vegetable broth is boiling, reduce the heat to low. Slowly add in 2.5 cups of cornmeal while whisking to avoid lumps. Stir this consistently for about 10 to 15 minutes. This is a fantastic way to tone those biceps. Consider it a culinary arm workout. Transfer the polenta to a 9 by 12 inch tray lined with parchment paper. Spread it out as evenly as possible. Don't worry if you can't reach the tray's edges or if the polenta isn't Picasso level perfect. We're just here for the flavor. Cover the polenta with plastic wrap and refrigerate it for at least 2 hours. Now that my polenta is cooled, I'm gonna grab it from the fridge. I'm gonna gently take it off of the baking tray. Preheat your oven to 425 degrees Fahrenheit. So the first thing I'm gonna do is trim the edges because I know that they'll end up breaking apart. So now I'm gonna cut the polenta into the shape of French fries. You wanna make sure that you cut them all roughly the same size so that they cook evenly in the oven. Here I have a baking tray that's larger than the one that I used to cool the polenta. The reason for that is because I want there to be a little bit of space between each fry. I have some parchment paper on here and I'm gonna brush it with some olive oil. Now we're gonna gently move the fries onto the tray, leaving a little bit of space between them. You can also fry your polenta fries, but we're keeping it healthy by baking them. Now that we've laid our polenta fries onto the baking sheet, we're gonna lightly brush them with some more olive oil. Now we can go ahead and bake them. Bake the fries for about 45 minutes or until they're golden brown. Flip them over halfway through the cooking time. So while my fries are cooking, I'm gonna prepare a quick dipping sauce. Of course, you can just use ketchup, but this is gonna make this dish feel a lot more bougie. Begin by heating a saucepan over medium-high heat and adding a generous coating of extra virgin olive oil to the bottom. Once the oil is sizzling, toss in some finely chopped onions and diced banana peppers. Allow them to sauté until the onions turn translucent. Now add in a cup of tomato sauce into the mix and give it a good stir. Season with a pinch of salt, a sprinkle of oregano, and a dash of black pepper. Time to bring the heat down to a gentle simmer. Cover the saucepan and let it work its magic as the fries finish baking. These fries have a deliciously crispy exterior and a nice and creamy interior. The sauce adds a tangy and savory contrast that gives this such a satisfying blend of textures and flavors. Thanks for joining me in creating these delicious polenta fries. I hope you try them for yourself and make sure to leave a comment if you did. If you liked today's video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. And hit the subscribe button to keep up to date with my latest vegan recipes. Head on over to earthtorocco.com for the ingredients and instructions for today's recipe and all my recipes. I have a craving to finish the rest of this plate, so I'll see you in the next video.